Ah! Hi guys, today I'm going to be opening these Yowie chocolate surprise eggs, which I got from the World Market. So we got Crag, we got Rumble, we got Boof, we got Squish, and we got Diddy. So we have all 5 of these here, but before I open these, I'm going to give a few shout outs to Crafts with Isabella, Unbox Odyssey, Gabby Costa, Tiny Toy House, Mommy and AJ Toys Review, Zame Toys, Mystery Toys, Kids Fun TV, Fun BB. And I will be putting their links to their channel down below. And thank you so much to all the shout outs here for the awesome comments, for liking one of my videos, and subscribing to me. So those are the shout outs. Like I said, I'm gonna put them down below in the description so you guys can subscribe to them. Now let's open these Yowie eggs. So let's start off with Diddy here. And he or she, yeah, he is a blue thing with a purple mustache, yeah, and hair or whatever it is right here. And oh, never mind. So yeah, open it. I didn't know what I was gonna say, but yay, chocolate. So here's a thing here. Oh, look at its face. So let's open it. Oh, I should have got a bowl. Whatever. Here, right. Here. Let's put the trash here. And let's open it. So it's a yellow and red kind of thing. Yeah. How do you open these things? Okay. Using my elbow. Ow, that hurt. The thing hurt. Okay, why are these so hard to open? Okay. Okay, got it open. Oh, we got a panda. We got a panda. It's so cute. Look at it, so cute. So excited for these guys. Then we have the pamphlet here. And these are all of them to collect. Oh wait, no, these are the these are the little things you could collect. So there's Boof, Crag, Squish, Rumble, Diddy, and Nap. Oh, we're just missing Nap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we're missing Nap. That's all we need. And then here is the description of the panda. It is the giant panda. So, hey, that's so cool. I really like these so far. They're really cute. So let's put this. Wait, no, I'm not gonna close it. It's already hard to open, so I'm not going to close it. So next we got Crag. This one is has like, I don't know, yellow hair. I don't know. And then the rest of his body is green. So here's a look at him. Oh, and he has a red nose, like Rita. So let's open it. I'm totally gonna share the chocolate with Katrina. I hate this part when you have to open it. Yay! It hurts my elbow. Okay. So hard. Yay, we got another animal. It's the North American beaver. So here it is. So yeah. I'm gonna put it right there. Wait, is all of them animals? I don't know. So next we got Squish. And Squish has yellow hair. I'm just gonna call it hair. And then the rest of his body is purple, and then his nose is blue, and his like feet are blue. I don't know if they're feet. So let's just open it. And I really want to get more of these because I need Nap. I want to open Nap. And I bet there's more creatures to get. So. Ah! Come on, open. Okay. Oh, so cute. So this is, I bet this is a mountain lion. Okay. So I'll just put the carousel right here. I can't even see the animals. Okay, I'll just put them like that. Here. Let's put these right there. And then we have 2 left. Why? So I'm totally gonna get more though. So next we got Rumble, and he has purple hair, and the rest of his body is red, and he has a yellow belly, yellow eyes. I really don't like this part.